Hello guys, for today's video we're going to beach, no? Kay Friday man, walay duty ang atong wife. And then si Kyle dyan diliran sa paeskwelahon kay nagsuka gabi. So for today's video we're going to beach for para makarelax, no? Mag-refresh, no? So, ayan. We're going to beach, Kaljan. We're going to beach. Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? So, si Kaljan, nagsuka. Si may nagsuka gabi eh. Kaljan. Nga naman nagsuka man ni Kaljan. The tummy is aching. So, tapabot na lang na mo si Kian na mumata, no? Si Kian sleeping pa. So ayan, pag mumata na siya nagka na dahil no? So by the way, dugay namin nagplano na mag-beach last time na I think April, I think February, the last time na nakapag-beach kami during our wedding, no? To February 28 pa to, I think. Yes, February 28 during our wedding, and diretso dayon mi sa reception, no? Dito sa Ipil sa Fiesta Resort. But then like what I've said, no, just because super init talaga that time. That's why hindi masyadong na-enjoy. So, Kian is already wake up na. My bunso is already wake up na. So, kung we mag-prepare na kami among mga dalhunon, so that sayo kami buntag na. Mas gana gyud kung buntag ta mga ligo, no? Kay medyo gana gyud and smooth ang panahon, and then dili ka radyo init. So mga to guys, see you around.